One of my favourite colours to use in the garden is beautiful rich burgundies, and finding a good winter flowering perennial can be a little bit tricky, and one that flowers well too, but this is where hellebores such as Anna's Red are a fantastic choice and they won't disappoint. As you can see, it features these stunning long stems of single petaled blooms, which means the flowers aren't hidden away in the foliage. They are where you can enjoy them. And because of those long stems, the flowers are fantastic for cut flower displays. Hellebore Anna's Red is a neat, compact plant growing about 50 by 50 centimetres, and it's perfect for planting into garden beds where you might already have some plants growing, or as a border plant for a sway of colour. And due to its neat nature, it's perfect for pots. So if you've got a deck or a balcony area that's in need of some colour, this is the perfect plant for you. And if this colour isn't for you, there is a whole collection to discover over on our website, with flowers ranging from pastels to whites, bicolourforms, zesty greens, and of course the bold deep plums. If you've been looking for a low maintenance garden plant that is easy to grow, then why not try growing a hellebore in your garden?